Hello, I'm Assemblyman David Tangipa, and I'd like to start off by saying congratulations to the class of 2025. Today, we celebrate more than 300 graduates whose hard work, determination, and perseverance have brought them to this incredible milestone. Each of you has chosen a path that keeps our communities running, from HVAC and electrical work to medical assisting, dental, pharmacy technology, and criminal justice. Many of you took this journey while balancing work, family, and responsibilities, and that speaks volumes about your character. You didn't just learn skills. You built confidence, resilience, and a future filled with opportunity. Vocational education like UEI's doesn't just change individual lives, it strengthens our entire region. Fresno and the Central Valley depend on people like you to fill essential, high-demand jobs that keep our homes comfortable, our families healthy, and our communities safe. As you move forward, remember that success isn't about where you started. It's about your willingness to keep learning, keep growing, and keep showing up. You have already proven you can do that. On behalf of everyone cheering you on today, congratulations, graduates. We are proud of you, we believe in you, and we can't wait to see what you achieve next.